Okay, well now live on YouTube, you can say all sorts of inappropriate things. Sonia, are you still here?
Yes, I need Hulk under medical.
Okay, let me do that for you right now. I'm going to share my screen so you can see that I'm doing it.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
So then, trade design. See, I've got my screen. I got a Brandts. What did I do with Brandts? What did I do, Brandts?
I believe you did.
Yeah, I gave an $80 bond. Let me see.
Yes, that's the only one I needed.
Oh yeah, and I did Brandts, so I can go ahead and trash that one. Okay, so then Sonia, you can be excused. I
Thank you
think.
so
Is
much.
that okay with Jordan? Is that right?
Yes, of course, Judge.
All right, you have a good one.
All right. Thank
You
you.
too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Now I am signing this Blake's voucher on her attorney of the day stuff. Okay. I see the interpreter. That's a good sign.
If you need me for anything, because they're gonna start looking at the paper, so that's gonna take a while.
Okay. Uh, well, Arlene, do we need you to do the translation for him or not?
I guess when they review the documents, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm sorry, you're gonna have to stick around till we do that.
Don't worry.
Okay. Well, I worry all the time, Arlene. I worry.
Don't worry about me, Judge. I'm okay.
Okay. I guess there's one less thing to worry about. Thank you.
Exactly.
Well, Alex Alverde, do you still need to hang around?
What, Judge?
Did you need to hang around still?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was going to be a nice guy and release you.
Hi.
Oh,
Then I'll stay, Judge. Thank you. Thank you.
I guess you just love jail
Thank you
code
for
so
your
much.
attempt to being a nice guy.
I know it's a poor attempt. I tried. All right. All right. So, the poor court reporter has to stick around for this last plea. So, too bad for you, Angelique.
No worries, Judge. And we all know you don't have to try that hard to be nice.
I know, really, it really is hard to try to be nice. The black robe, the
You
black
must
robe.
try really hard every day.
You put on the robe with the black robitis.
Oh, goodness. Yes.
Get you.
Inflammation of the head due to the rope.
Uh, it's that old joke. Oh, we're live on YouTube. I can't tell the joke. Never mind. Damn it.
You were gonna say something super
We'll have,
inappropriate.
we'll all have to stick
No.
around after the credit.
So this guy dies. He's a psychiatrist.
Off to a funny start.
And St. Peter says, man, who are you? So, what's your profession? I'm a psychiatrist. Great, we need you, man. We need you really badly. And the psychiatrist says, you need a psychiatrist here in heaven? He says, yeah, Well, what's the problem? The guy at St. Peter says it's God. God's got a psychiatric problem. He sure does, man. Well, what is it? He says, well, he's okay most of the time, but every now and then he puts on this black robe and he thinks he's a judge.
Interpreter, Miss Abrams, can you please go in breakout room 3?
Okay. So that was live on YouTube, and I didn't get any response. No one.
Okay.
I checked.
All right. I figured since I told a joke on myself.
Self-deprecating.
All right. Are we still waiting? Okay. So then, we're in on Miss Blake's case, I believe. It's Jose Garcia Jarro. I don't see him anywhere on my screen, so, and I don't see any paperwork for him, so I'm assuming that Miss Blake is still talking to him, perhaps?
I think that sounds like a recall for tomorrow, Judge.
Okay. I'm okay with that, but I don't see where Miss Blake, I don't see her or the client around on any of my screens. Debbie,
Yes, Judge.
I don't see Miss Blake or her client.
They're in breakout room 3.
Okay, I see them now. Okay. So they're still in the breakout room, correct? Along with the interpreter.
Yes.
Okay.
I think my jacket sleeves look very cool.
They do. But remember, you're live on YouTube. And
Those
so
are cool. I like this.
That is, I like
we'll
that.
have
like that
dozens
blouse.
of comments on this.
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear for Super Bowl Sunday. Like I was gonna go get a special jersey or shirt for it, but I have a similar blouse for work that kind of looks like that. And I thought, you know what? It fits because it's like with the referee style.
Yeah.
Why not?
I had a
Yeah,
similar
that's nice.
problem, Angelisa. I was trying to
I'll
eat-
referee family arguments or something. Yeah, touchdown.
Holding.
By the way, who is it? Who are the teams playing? I don't even know.
The Patriots and the Seahawks. That's all I know.
Patriots
And
and the
Bad
Seahawks.
Bunny at the halftime show.
So who are you gonna pick? You're gonna just pick for East or West, or you're gonna pick for colors of the team jerseys? How do you pick if you're in the middle of the country for two teams that you could care less about?
Hmm.
I don't know. Maybe
Possible.
you just have to flip a coin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go Seattle.
Oh,
Oh,
well, or Alex could tell you who
yeah.
to
Alex,
cheer for.
you're cheering for Seattle, really?
Yeah, I'm cheering for Seattle.
Judge, can you turn off YouTube or no? We can leave it on?
It's still on.
It's still on.
Okay.
Yeah, because Sam
But it's
Darnold
free.
deserves, he
Because if
deserves
I
it.
turn it off, then it's gonna take forever to turn it back on. So I'm trying to figure out if we're really gonna do this play.
Do you know who Sam Darnold is, Judge?
I have no idea.
That's the quarterback for Seattle.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
But anyway, he
So-
got picked by the Jets back in 2018. So that'll tell you a lot. You know, the Jets are the worst team in the NFL.
allegedly. the
No,
worst.
there's no alleging to it. Anyway,
Well,
poor guy
Well,
had a
you make
rough
lots of
start.
editing on YouTube right now.
He's
but
had a rough start and he's been through a lot of teams. And he was never expected to make it to the Super Bowl. So that's why I'm kind of cheering for him.
Oh, you cheered for the underdog syndrome.
The
I
underdog. Well, and then Drake May, who is the quarterback for the Patriots, this is his second year. And he's already in the Super Bowl.
Go.
Yeah, and the Patriots have already gone 12 times and have won 6 times already. So I'm kind of cheering for Seattle because of Seattle.
Seattle's gone before and won, haven't they though?
Huh?
Hasn't Seattle gone before? and
Yes,
won?
Seattle has gone, but they've only won one. So if they win this one, it'll be their second.
Wow. I
And
didn't know I had such
I
a
love
wealth.
football. That's why I know so much.
How do you know so much about this stuff?
I love football.
Oh,
Yeah. My dad, I grew up with my dad watching football and teaching me all about it.
wow,
Yeah.
cool. Well, I think it ought to be abolished.
Yeah.
I think a lot
Other
of
than that,
things ought to be
I'm fine with it
abolished.
because really, look at all the head injuries you get in football. I don't think kids ought to be playing football at all. Until,
Yeah,
until they
and-
figure out a way to keep the head safe from all
And
this.
they've done a lot more
They
to,
have that protective gear now.
yeah, but
Yeah.
not all the players choose to wear it. They make it
Yeah.
optional, but the helmets are more, I guess more like
Safe.
they're made to protect now versus in the past.
It's
And
such a
Yeah.
they
it's a
do
rough
try to
sport. The only
protect. I
sport
know it's a
rugby-
rough sport, Judge, but I
rugby-
mean, it
rugby
is
a
your
much
choice to
rougher sport.
play.
It's
Oh
a
yeah, rugby is
terrible
very
sport.
rough.
Yeah, rugby is just like
Yeah.
sign me up for an injury.
Right.
Yeah.
Jesus. And I was in karate when I was a young man, and I thought that was safer than football because at least in karate you knew that a guy was trying to hurt you. In football, you go out there and you think everything's fine, and then you get blindsided by some guy that hits you from the back or the front or whatever, and it's not a safe sport. Well, basketball is getting to be like that too. Basketball is not safe. Used to
Yeah.
be, you think, well, it's a safe sport because you throw the ball up, but these guys go up for the ball with elbows flying. There's all sorts of stuff
Yeah, they
happening.
sure do.
Okay, so I've got paperwork on my screen for Mr. Haro, but we still have Miss Blake and the interpreter talking to Mr. Haro. So no good deed goes unpunished. We try to take care of the last case. What do we do?
You don't have to try too hard to be nice, Judge.
Oh yeah, you do.
Just
Yeah.
nice. You're just nice.
No, no, no. You just knew the power of the dark side.
Like you said, it's the robe.
It's the road. It really
Yeah.
is.
Just
Judge,
from
do
your
you have
joke.
the paperwork?
Pardon me? Debbie, I have paperwork on Mr. Garcia Haro on my screen, but evidently there's something going on in that breakout room because Angela Blake and him are talking. Can you stick your head in there and find out what's going on?
Yes.
Thank you.
Judge, from your joke, does God have a mustache and glasses too?
Oh, that hurt. That hurt. And does he speak Spanish?
So.
Más o menos.
Yeah. That's how you know you're off the hook.
Yeah,
God knows all languages, huh?
he does. There's another terrible joke which I will have to wait till we're off the YouTube to tell it. God knows how joke, but pretty good.
All right.
Judge, I'm going to advise you to stand by on that joke.
Okay, I will. Miss
Okay.
Blake,
Ready, Judge?
are you ready? Okay, let me pull up his paperwork. Okay, Mr. Do we need the interpreter? Let me ask the interpreter. Do I need to push the dreaded interpreter button?
Yes, Judge.
Oh my,
Sorry about that.
damn it. Okay, so let me hit the interpreter button. And
Señor, tiene que seleccionar el idioma de español. Ahorita que va a salir en su pantalla, ¿ok?
Spanish, okay.
okay, I've just hit the interpreter button. Now I'm hitting English only. So is his side ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you have him select Spanish, please, Deputy?
I did, Judge.
Okay, let's try it.
Sí, estoy escuchando en español.
Is it working, Arlene?
Sí, thank you.
Can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí,
Okay, thank you. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, so do you see my screen?
sí,
Is your name Jose Garcia Haro?
sí,
Are you the same Jose Garcia Haro who, in this cause number 2026 CC 000933, who is charged with the offense of driving
Your Honor,
while
that's a, there's a typo. It should be ending in a 2.
it should be in a 2. Okay.
Yes,
Jordan, can I ask you
00932.
Can I ask you to correct that? It should be 32
Yes, sir.
instead of 33. Okay. Are you the
Yes.
same person in this cause number who is charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Is that you?
sí,
For this offense, it's possible you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment can be in your case?
sí entiendo. I understand completely.
I'm looking now at a document
Entiendo.
entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Correcto, estoy de acuerdo.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí,
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
sí, me explicó.
And do you understand it?
Sí, yo entiendo.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
No,
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
sí, sí entiendo.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible you could be deported. You understand those 3 possibilities?
Sí, sí entiendo. Tengo la visa.
Blake, does your client understand the possible immigration consequences?
Yes, Your Honor.
And by the way, does your client weigh the preparation time for appointment of a new attorney today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct, Mr. Garcia Haro?
Sí, es correcto.
Okay. I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, sir, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí, entiendo.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Hold on 1 minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway?
Claro, sí entiendo.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No,
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
no,
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
sí, yo lo hago voluntariamente y quiero.
Okay. Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 82 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money running concurrently, and he presently has 41 days.
Okay, I'm gonna JSAT that since he's pretty close to half anyway. So, do you agree to this, Ms. Blake?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do
And
you
if I
agree
could
to this?
also put something on the record, Your Honor.
Okay,
I did discuss with him the option that he has to reset the case to review his plea and the consequences on his immigration status. And he says he wants to go forward today and give up those rights. But I did go over his immigration, potential consequences with him for a plea
Okay.
today.
do you agree to this, Mr. Garcia Haro? Plea bargain?
Sí, estoy de acuerdo. Sí me explicó. Todo está bien.
Then Mr. Garcia Haro, the court accepts your plea, no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 82 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Ms. Blake, do you know if this is the only case holding him? Does he have an immigration hold?
He does have an immigration hold, Your Honor. So he will be, but he will be done with this case today. Yes, Judge.
Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, this case no longer holds you, sir. The only thing holding you is the immigration hold. Okay. Good luck to you. Que lo haga bien. And
Ok, muchas gracias. Thank you.
thank you for being patient and waiting for us on this thing. Appreciate it. Okay.
Thank you for your time, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. And Arlene, you may be excused. Thank you. Unfortunately, yeah, you will. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Thank
Someone
you,
say the
everybody.
magic words.
Turn off YouTube, Judge.
I'm gonna turn off YouTube.